welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, and subscribe down below and ring that bell for notifications. Today, I have a big ass box. It is my FabFitFun add-on box. And there's a mystery bag in here, and I love a mystery bag. And there's a couple things that I ordered. So let's get to it. And FabFitFun is a quarterly box, but they have lots of sales all the time where you can get really great products at great discounts. And the mystery bags are really, you just never, I mean, they're a true mystery. You really have no idea what you're gonna get. Put it down here to the side. And like, I've received all kinds of things in mystery bags, from like blenders to blend drinks to fancy lotions and potions and shampoos to a flask. I mean, just a big random assortment of things. And I'm taking out all the stuffing. Oh my gosh, I got a big mystery bag. And this is my paper that tells me what I ordered. And I ordered my favorite Stone Street soap. And it is the body wash, and it's called Hey Ho, and it smells delightful. And it just smells fresh and clean, like you've been in like the great outdoors. It just, but not like dark smelling. It's very bright and clean. And I love the way this smells. I got this. I got this, which is Rainforest Mist by Voir. Let's see, it comes all apart into pieces. And this is just like a hairspray. And I just need like a nice, simple hairspray that's not super heavy. Oh, it's got a great mist. And it smells delightful. And this was like $11, and this was probably like $7 or $8. But what we really are here about is the mystery bag. And this is a big bunch of stuff. And this mystery bag is $29. And you really never know what you're going to get in here. Oh, I've got from Summer Rose a beach and bath towel. I'll take it out of the wrapping. I'm not going to unwrap it from the package because this is going to be a great gift. And it feels very soft, and it feels kind of like a chamois. It feels very soft and like it would absorb a lot. It says Beauty and the Beach. And it's 39 by 70. And it's made in China. But it looks like it's a beautiful package. And I know that those beach towels were very expensive when they were for sale this summer. Next up, I have a Daily Concepts Daily Beauty Headband, a comfortably control hair. And Daily Concepts is a nice brand of stuff. And I don't wear a lot of headbands because my head's so big that they just smush, they just squeeze themselves off. They just escape my head. So I'm going to keep this in the packaging. And this will make a lovely gift. And, you know, this is probably at least $30. So that pays for the bag. But this headband's probably $7 or $8. Anyway, I'll put it together later. Next up. Oh, this is cool. It's a bunch of notepads and things. So let's take this apart. I love notepads and journals and office supplies. And it says, this notepad builds schools. And it's got lots of things for you to It's got 80 sheets and it's very cool looking. It's also dangerous. This is a dangerous notepad. And then it comes with a sketchbook with a great firm cover, which I really appreciate. And then just nice heavy paper. And these sketchbooks can be pretty pricey. I have no idea how much it is for this sketchbook and notepad. And then I've got one other thing in here. And it is from Teema, and it's a towel. It says, let me get it out of here. Or I'll just leave it in the package. It says, towels, welcome to Team Teema. Towels suck. We're here to change that. Teemas are towels, but they're also scarves, shawls, blankets, throws, wraps, and more. With their lightweight, stylish design and composed of 100% Turkish cotton, Teemas are great for travel, leisure, festival, yoga, and everything in between. And I'm sure this is at least another $30 item for sure, because these kind of towels are very exciting and very expensive, and it's got a cool little design on it. So this is great. So what did I get in my mystery bag? I got a big beach towel. I got a cool towel that's good for a throw rug or a shawl, all kinds of stuff. I got a Daily Concepts headband. I got a fancy notepad, and I got a fancy sketchbook, and I got a fancy kitten getting in that fancy box. So this has been a lot of fun, and I always enjoy getting mystery bags just for this reason, because these are some great gifts that I can give to almost anybody, male or female or whatever. I can just give it to anybody and they'll get use out of it and enjoy it. Well, I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.